Alright, so the purpose of this video is to try and see if I can come up with a way to replicate a GIF that I saw on the internet. The GIF was, for every frame there was a word, and the whole point was that you could read a lot faster if you didn't have to move your eyes. So I want to implement it, or see if I can implement it. So I'm thinking of taking a piece of text, parsing it in Python, and then using each word to make a new image or a frame, and then pass all those into Photoshop to make a GIF or a little movie. So let's see if it works. I mean, it should work. Let's see. So the first thing I have to do is okay, let's open the terminal. And then let's move to the research folder. And then the readings folder. Okay, so here I'm going to make a text file. Or I guess we'll call it test. Okay, and let's just, you know what, let's go ahead and copy this thing. And so I see a lot of, what are those? They're little carrots. Interesting. Let's try something else. Let's try a different paper. Let's try this one. No, not this one. This one? Yeah, this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete this guy. Oh, that's right, I'm in the terminal, I can't do that. Okay, never mind. So quit without saving. Let's open VIM again, and let's paste this new text. I'm going to go ahead and save it. So now we can see that it's here. Cool beans. And then we can go ahead and now create the Python file. So I'm going to call it fastreader.py. And then we'll just put something. And then save it. And now we have a fast reader here. Okay, so let's open it in Spider. So here we have the little weird whatevers. So let's go to the internet and find out how to open a text file. I don't really remember how to. Actually, you know what? Let's put some jams. Alright, so little blurb. This song is supposed to be a cover for, what is it? Redbone. But if you hear the drums, it's identical to one of the LCD Sound System songs. I just thought it was funny. And actually in the middle of the song, they play a little bit of it too. So anyways, okay, so let's open this. Alright. So we'll call it file name. Let's go ahead and then file. I guess it doesn't matter. We make them all the same thing. In this case, though, actually I don't want that name. I want research readings and then test.txt. So we want to open the folder here, and then get this guy. And then file. Oh, not read. Or let's see. Yeah, no, I think it's read lines. Content equals file dot read let's go ahead and do this here. And now we have content. Okay, so that's our text. Let's see what else. So the issue that I see here is that we have lists, and what I want is to just have one entire, or you know what, I don't know, let's see. Individual words. Oops. Interesting. Okay, you know what? Let's just do that instead. Oh, I guess I could have just copy pasted the whole thing. Let's try this. So for now, let's comment this guy. Okay, so import, read, test, whatever, and then let's. The original string is that. What is test string? Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, so now I think if we use this, we might have an issue later, because what if I want symbols and it doesn't look like symbols are being grabbed here? Because what I really want is to have punctuations and everything also. So I need a break string into list. Oh, I think it is split. Okay, and I think I need to specify what I want it. Yes. So I just want to split with a. Let's copy this really quick. Let's erase all of this. Okay, so. Hi, my name is Peter. I'm 26 years old. Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm 25 years old. I think so. Okay, so now I'm gonna print this guy. Perfect, we got punctuations there also. Now can I loop through it? For for word in X, print word. And yeah, let's just do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, nice. Okay, so then let's go ahead and do. Now we have to make sure that. Okay, you know what? I think I messed up. Let me go ahead and bring back what I had originally. This guy. Okay, cool. So, because I still want my content, right? I want to be able to read this, but now I need to put the content in one long string. So, for line in content. And I need to now make a empty string. We'll call it string. And it'll be an empty string, and then we'll do string equals, or plus, no, plus equals line. Oh, maybe. So then string is one long string. Perfect. Oh, okay, but I still need to remove. New lines. Remove characters in string Python. Strip. Okay, so now we, from our string, we go string.strip, and I want to strip what I want to strip. New line characters. So these guys right here. Okay, let's try it out. And then just print string again. Hey, I still see some. What's going on? What if I do dot strip? So instead of stripping it at the end, I'm gonna strip it after the line. Let's see if that does anything. Yep, there we go. Okay, so in other words, it's gonna be doing the strip at the end of every line. So here, I'm seeing that if I put it, or well, I guess in this example, if I have an N, but it's not the last dash N, it's not going to, like, it'll still be there. So it needs to be at the very end, and it's only at the very end when it's an individual. So like if I do content, so the first element of my list in content list is a string, and we have that little trailing, and that's the last one. So then I'll just strip it from here. Strip. And then it'll remove it. Alright, so let's move on. We have now, we don't need this one anymore because we don't care for that text string, but now we have here words. Now if we print all the words, it's probably going to be a lot of words, but we can just check it out. Okay, so we're getting also the okay, so the segmentation of brain region contours in 3 dimensions is critical for the analysis of so there's what if I have to replace these guys instead, because it looks like I'm getting two words within in one word. So I might have to, instead of just taking them out, we might have to be splitting them or replacing them. Replace character in string Python. Replace old to new. So here I'm gonna go ahead and just replace old to new, and we're gonna put a little space there. So if we do this now. Okay, so contour dimensional. Okay, analysis of. Perfect. Okay, so now it's 2 different words, and then we can still have the punctuations. Okay, it looks good. So now let's go ahead and print them out and save them as individual frames.